Hi everyone. 안녕하세요. This is your Korean 쌤 진아. Today's expression is 눈을 속이다. Repeat after me. 눈을 속이다. So, 속이다, what does that mean? 속이다 is to deceive someone or something. So, 눈을 속이다. To deceive your eyes, one's eye. Let's find out. Look at here. It's a grocery store, and he asks 5 oranges. He wants to buy 5 oranges, and she puts oranges in the plastic bag. But here, she put rotten oranges on the bottom, and then cover fresh oranges on it. So that maybe he thinks it's fresh oranges. It's all fresh oranges. So, what does that mean? To deceive someone visually. So, it is used when a person cheats others with what they see. What they see. So, 눈을 속이다 is when someone deceives others with something visually. Look at examples. A. 나 얼마 전에 모자에서 토끼가 나오는 마술을 봤어. 얼마 전에 모자에서 hat. Have you ever watched magic show? Yes. And the common show is something coming out from a hat, like a pigeon or rabbits or birds, right? So here, I saw a magic show that a rabbit comes out from a hat a couple of days ago. And B says, 그거 다 사람들 눈을 속이는 거야. That's actually tricks, a visual trick. 무슨 소리야? What do you mean? 모자에 토끼가 숨어 있는 공간이 있거든. There is a room that actually the rabbit can hide inside the hat. So it's not just coming from, it's not just popping up. Actually, it was there, and the magician deceived people. Okay, look at the examples, exercises. Number 1, choose one with the same meaning as 눈을 속이다. Number 1, 사실을 말하게 하다. 말하게 하다, to tell someone, to have someone to tell the truth. 사실 is truth. 사실을 말하게 아니에요. 남이 속게 하다. 속게 하다. 속이다, 속게 하다. Yes. Here, 개하다, 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 개하다. You can see all 개하다 here. It means to let someone do something, to help someone do something, to make someone do something. So, 남이 속게 하다, to make someone deceived. You can say 남이 속게 하다, 남을 속이다. Okay, so this is the answer. Number 3, 눈을 감게 하다. 감다 is to close. So 눈을 감게 하다, to make eyes closed. Okay. Number 4, 눈을 붙이게 하다. 붙이다, 감다, it's same meaning. 눈을 붙이게 하다, to make one's eye closed. Okay. Number 2, complete this sentence. 부모님의 blank 몰래 게임기를 샀어요. 게임기. 게임기 is playing device like PlayStations or Nintendo something. So 부모님의 blank 눈을 속여서 yes. 눈을 속이고 몰래 게임기를 샀어요. I bought PlayStation without my parents noticed. Parents don't know that I bought this PlayStation. Okay, I hope you all get this meaning and see you later. 안녕히 계세요.